man, it's your boy Raw T, man, live over here, man, from Atlanta, man. Real Radio 101, you know how we get down, man. I'm here with my main man, Wavy Lee. What's going on, dog?
Man, what it do, man? How it been, Raw T?
Man, it been pretty good, dog. You know what I'm saying? Grinding, trying to shine, man. I see you doing your thing, man. Hey, it's the new year, so we got the ballers out. You know. How you feeling, man? How you feeling, man? It's a new year, dog. It's a new year, man.
I'm feeling good, man. Feeling rejuvenated, ready to get to work again. You know what I'm saying? New year, new things, big things. You know.
Sound good, man. You know I got my clothing line coming out, dog. You know what I'm saying? So I gotta bring you something, man. You know what I'm saying? We gotta stay fresh right here.
Well, actually, I'm glad you said that, because my guys over at Bacardi sent me something to send to you.
See, that's what I'm talking about, man. I hold that for you, man. You gotta grab that, man.
One second.
Okay, man. See, that's what I'm talking about, man. Y'all come correct, man, when you do things, dog.
Bacardi, they just started their own line of headphones, man. So, you know, y'all go check them out, man. Straight from your boy Wavy Lee to y'all.
Sound good, man. Sound good, man. I hold that down, dog. I hold that down, man. Tighten up, man. Hey, man, so look, man. Let's jump right into it, man.
Okay.
Let's talk about your album, dog. What you got out, man? What you got coming out? What's going on?
Right now, I got Set the Bar EP out right now.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? I just dropped the actual cover for the Drake and Future. You know what I'm saying? I think it'll be really dope, so everybody check that out. And I actually am going to do a full album this year called To The Top. So,
hey, they waiting on it, man. The streets talking, man. The streets talking, dog. I like it, man. I like it. So is what brand is it, man? Is it rap? Is it mix? Is it R&B? What you got going on, man?
I mean, it's wavy. Like,
it's wavy.
I feel like it's a whole new genre of music. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
I sing, I rap, I make beats, I engineer. And it's like a whole new sound, you know what I'm saying? A sound that nobody else has really done yet. So I can't wait to, give it to the people.
Sound good, man. Sound good, man. Well, look, man. I'm happy to see you, man. Happy to bring in the new year with you, man. What's some of your inspiration, man? What's your motivation, dog?
Really, my motivation is my family and my kids right now. You know what I'm saying? I got a new one coming in March, so you know we got to get it in.
Sound good, man. Sound good, man. So what do you do, man, to help motivate the kids?
Try to do stuff in the community, man. Actually, this year I'm kind of working on something called Rap for Food.
Okay.
It'll kind of be like a concert, a fundraiser for all the local artists, and they can perform and give something back to the community at the same time. So it should be around, November this year. So stay on the lookout for that.
Sound good, man. Sound good, man. That's what you do as an artist, man. You gotta give back. Yeah. We take. The people who we giving back to, they already gave to us. They already gave to us, man, so we got to go ahead and give back. Right now, man, we're going to go ahead and tighten it up, man. Do you want to leave something, man, for the people, man? Let them know, like, some of the people you work with. And, just leave them with a nice little thought.
Well, yeah, I done worked with Young Dro, Kevin Gates, Post Malone. A lot of the new up-and-coming artists, too, Young Thug. I work with a lot of people, man, so stay on the lookout.
Sound good, man. Hey, this your boy Raw T, man. I don't know where Rock Real's at. Oh, you know what? He behind the camera. We getting it in, man. This is Real Radio 101. Shout out to everybody in Alabama. Shout out to everybody all over the nation. And shout out to Wavy Lee, man. Sign them off, dog.
Well, straight. Much love. It's Wavy, baby.
Holla.